Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Go! 2480, we're going to be with it right now. Don't move!
Don't move!
Hey!
Don't move!
It's going to be a Dunlap at 29th to try to run over my partner. Damn, bro. We're going to be southbound on 29th from Dunlap. It's going to be occupied by 2 males. The driver's going to be a red hoodie Hispanic male.
Looks like a juvie, dude. God, fuck, my leg hurts.
Did he hit you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Officers followed the suspects to the area of 29th Avenue and Northern, where the vehicle stopped. Officers gave verbal commands to both the driver and passenger to exit the vehicle. The passenger exited the vehicle first and was taken into police custody. Here is the body-worn camera from one of the responding officers, which captures the arrest of the passenger suspect.
Get on your knees now!
Step out of the vehicle with your hands above your head.
Wait on driver! Wait on driver!
Hold off on driver!
Hold on, driver.
Wait on driver!
Take it slow, man.
After the passenger was arrested, for the next 3 minutes, officers gave verbal commands to the driver to exit the vehicle. However, he did not respond. In an effort to encourage the suspect to exit the vehicle, an officer assigned to the Tactical Support Bureau deployed less lethal munitions, pepper balls, into the driver's side window, and officers continued to give verbal commands.
Pepper ball, deploying pepper ball, copy?
The munitions were successful, and the driver eventually exited the passenger side of the vehicle.
Crawl out of the car, you're gonna get bit!
Tell him to throw the keys. They're cleared on the radio so that you can see his hands and his hands.
Yeah, I see him. Let me see your hands!
Right here. Coming out. Slowly but surely.
What's his head? Crawl out to the car! Crawl out of the car! Let me see your hands! Crawl out of the car! Let me see your hands! Keep crawling! Get out of the car!
He's bleeding pretty good. I think I'm about to put it.
Let's go!
Hey, give me 2 officers with rubber gloves. I got you. No, give me another 2 officers with rubber gloves.
Let me see your right hand!
We're going to have him to push him when he gets...
Put your hands out to your side so we can see him! Put your hands out to your side so I can see him!
Hey, don't step in front of him. Just stay behind us and I'll let I know what I need from you guys.
Put your hands out to your side!
Put them out to your side.
Hands are empty. You can see the left hand? Yeah. Okay. Cross.
Oh, you're good. Moving. I need that lethal up here. Rifle, you're with us.
Rifle, come with.
Rifle. Rifle, you're on the car. Go up here closer. Clear that car first, and then we'll deal with him. Go ahead.
Back seat's clear. Front seat's clear. Vehicle's clear.
Let's strike him away.
Oh, my arm! Oh, it's gonna break! Oh, it's gonna break! Oh, my arm! Oh, my arm is broken! Oh, it's gonna break! Oh, it's gonna break! Oh, my arm! Oh, it's gonna break!
Anybody got a cuff key? I'm
Bro,
out, buddy.
please!